All right, good. So we're gonna leave the documentation here, and I'm gonna go back to the deck because we're basically nearing a conclusion here, right? Because now we have all the components, right? We have all the components that we need. So I want to go back to the deck. Are there any more questions before I leave, the documentation? Last call for questions, and then we're going to go back to the deck. Actually, let me go back to... Anybody? Nobody? Okay. All right. So let's go back to our deck, and let's put a cherry on top here, right? Let's tie this all together.